Hi there, everybody. As you see, have got some framing I've got to do, and I needed a couple of sawhorses. So our video today is some 10-minute sawhorses coming up. The first thing you want to do is take your first 10-footer and cut it into 4 30-inch boards. You're going to take your second 10-footer and cut it into 3 40-inch boards. Now, if you want 4-foot sawhorses, you need to get a 12-foot 2x4 for the top. But what we're going to do first is take one of our boards, lay them flat on top in the center. That should be 1 inch on either side, and nail him off. Just like so. Then you flip him over, nail the other one right on top of him. Once you have him nailed, you're going to take just one of your leg pieces and you're going to butt him up to that top board. Just like that right there. I'm going to make sure he's up against the middle board, butt it up to the top board. So we hit him top. We want to make sure we hit him into this bottom of that little I-beam. There we go. And if you want to throw one just for good measure, then you do it 4 more times. And there you go, folks. That is how you build some 10-minute sawhorses. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like the video. Shoot me a comment, something like that. Hit the subscribe button if you think this is something you'd like to see. Also, in the near future, we'll have some videos of framing an office here in my shop. So, I guess, like I say, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making dust.